How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Now, Meta AI is one of the newest feature on the WhatsApp application. If we head over to our WhatsApp right here, and if I go ahead and type at Meta AI, it will now go ahead and show me this option. Now, for some users, this option is not available. Number one issue is that you don't have the latest version of the application. Now, in order to fix this problem, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is to navigate through the App Store or Google Play Store, and once inside, you simply want to search for WhatsApp. Inside WhatsApp, you want to open up the official WhatsApp application, and from here, you then want to click on the update button. After making sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp, you can now go ahead and try this out for yourself. You want to go ahead and type at Meta AI. Now, the second reason on why this is not available for you is due to your country or region not being selected with this specific feature. If you're one of those countries that haven't got the latest version or the latest update of WhatsApp yet, it means that you cannot go ahead and use this feature. So you have to wait for a couple more months or weeks in order to get this available on your devices. And if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.